Because addiction is such an epidemic in our nation and especially here in the deep South, so many times people get addicted to alcohol or to drugs after their marriage. Addiction can be a grounds for divorce also. So sometimes people want to say, well, they've got drug problems. I want to get a divorce. Well, if they've always had drug problems and you married them knowing they were an addict, well, you probably can't get a divorce on that grounds because you came into the marriage knowing they had this issue. But if a problem is developed during the marriage, addiction issues can be a grounds for divorce. Sadly, many spouses, both men and women, are the victims of domestic violence in their marriage. Domestic violence or physical cruelty, is the way the law defines it, can be a grounds for a divorce in Alabama. Keep in mind, if you are getting divorced for physical cruelty, I would hope that you already have taken steps through law enforcement or maybe even through getting a protection order, which is basically a restraining order for married people or people who have been in the physical relationship. I would hope you would have already had one of those things in place. If not, you need to have one because not only does it place you in danger if you have your children present, it can place your children in danger. You'll be surprised at how often a spouse will put up with domestic violence thinking they're protecting their children's overall life because they don't want to split up the family. And I can take this. Maybe I even think I've done something to deserve it. The truth is, you never, ever deserve to be physically abused in your relationship. There's no excuse for that. There's no justification for it.